Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy anniversary or Valentine's Day card using lots of die cutting and a little ink blending, so let's get started. First, I've die cut a bunch of pieces from the Mugs and Kisses die set with colored cardstock. I use a small blending brush to add a little shading to each piece with the coordinating ink. I'm using inks and cardstock from Concord and 9th, and the colors here are sea glass, honeysuckle, and nutmeg. I only add ink to the bottom of the images and then blend it out to match the cardstock color. This just helps quickly give the illusion of shadows and shading without needing to get out lots of markers. Next, I stamp and heat emboss a sentiment from It's Always Been You onto black cardstock and die cut the Fluttering hearts pierced coverplate die from white cardstock. I also die cut the steam trail from Mugs and Kisses from vellum. You could keep things super clean and simple here and just attach everything to the white pierced background, but I decided to add a little more color to my design. I use a large blending brush to lightly blend honeysuckle ink onto the panel around where my mugs and sentiment will go. I use a light hand and just layer on color until I'm happy with the shade. I use liquid glue to adhere the coffee mugs together and then adhere the mugs to the blended background with HG adhesive. Then I use foam mounting tape to add the sentiment. Finally, I want to add a little sparkle and shine, so I start by applying a layer of sparkle with the brush marker to the hearts and steam. Then I add accents with a white gel pen. Then I coat the steam trail with Nuvo crystal glaze and sprinkle chunky and Prisma glitter on the bottom of the steam trail. This allows you to get the fun effect from the glitter while still seeing some of the shine from the glaze. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below or over on my blog. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!